Hello friends, welcome back to my another After Effects tutorial. Today, we are going to create image transition effect. For this, we need two free script, one is utility box, and another is delayer. Link is in the description. Let's see what we are going to create today. First, create a composition, name it transition, make it 1920 by 1080 pixels, 25 frames. Now, again, make a composition, this time make it 120 by 120 pixels, and name it square. Then, double-click on rectangular tool, and follow me. The color of shape layer does not matter here. Now, bring scale properties of the shape layer by pressing S key on keyboard. Then, animate the scale properties, just like the tutorial. Now, again do the same thing for rotation properties. For this, press R key. And, animate like the video. Now, go to Transition Comp, and bring the square comp in it. Then, go to Window, and search for Utility Box Script, which we talk about at the beginning. Now, select the square comp, and input the measurement in the utility box, 17 by 120, and 10 by 120. Now, press Create button, this will take some time. Then, select all square comp, and cover the transition comp, by dragging them. Now, select all square comp, and pre-compose them. Name it 01. Then, go to 01 comp, and again, select all square comp. Now, go to Window and search for Delayer script. And now, you will find this script can make amazing transition animation. Just follow the tutorial. Now, go to Transition Comp, and bring any 2 image file, under the 01 comp. And then, make the top image alpha matte, by switching tab, and, we are done. You guys can experiment in the square comp, and it will make another kind of animation. Guys, that's for today. I will bring another After Effects tutorial for another day. Till then, goodbye.